Myself Bimlesh Kumar Singh, going to teach you about resistance. What is resistance? Whenever electric current flows through a wire, whenever electric current flows through a conductor, a disturbance is created in the conductor. That disturbance is called resistance. Listen again. Whenever electric current flows through a wire or conductor, that is conductor, a disturbance is created in the conductor, that is called resistance. Now the mute question is, what are the causes of resistance? Whenever you know rate of flow of electrons is called current, electric current. So whenever electrons flow, one electron may collide with another electron. This collision causes disturbance, and that disturbance is known as resistance. Listen again. Whenever electrons flow, one electron may collide with another electron. This collision causes a disturbance. That disturbance is called resistance. That means first cause of resistance is collision between electrons. There is second reason. Whenever electrons flow, one electron may collide with an anion, and due to this collision a disturbance is created. That disturbance is called resistance. That means the second cause of resistance is collision of an electron with an anion. So these are the causes of resistance. Now units of resistance. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. Ohm is denoted by this symbol. Now, what are the different factors on which resistance of a conductor depends? Now the factors on which resistance of a conductor depend is, first factor is length of the conductor. How length of conductor depends on resistance of conductor. R is directly proportional to L. That means greater the length, longer the length, greater will be resistance. If the wire is lengthy, if the length of wire is greater, the resistance will be greater. Second factor on which resistance of conductor depend is area of cross section. Second factor on which resistance of conductor depends is area of cross section of the wire. How it depends? Resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to area of cross section of the wire. Area of the cross section means thickness of the wire. If the area of cross section is greater, resistance will be less. That means if the wire is thicker, its resistance will be less. If the wire is thin, its resistance will be greater. Now third factor on which resistance of a conductor depend is material of the conductor. Suppose we take different wires of same length and same area of cross section. Suppose I have taken a wire of aluminum, another wire of zinc, another wire of copper, yet another wire of iron, and the lengths of all the wires of different material are same.